In Axxon Next, you can apply privacy masks to live and recorded videos. To apply a privacy mask to live video, access the relevant camera settings and click. To make configuration easier, click to freeze the video. Use the cursor to set nodes of the closed area within which no image will be displayed. You can use any number of nodes to set a polygonal mask. To delete a node, right-click on it. To delete a mask, click the corresponding icon. We've now configured the privacy mask. When you view video from this camera, the selected area will be hidden. You can prevent particular users from viewing masked objects in video footage. The objects will be masked while viewing, searching, and exporting footage from an archive. To do this, select No for the View Masked Video in Archive option in Role Settings. The objects will be masked for all users belonging to this role. To mask objects in video footage, locate an object to be hidden in the first frame where it appears in the camera's field of view. Click to set the shape of the mask, oval or rectangular. Locate the last frame before the object disappears from the camera's field of view, and place the mask over it. Then, click Add. If necessary, set in between positions of the mask. Use the scroll button to navigate through the video. After setting all necessary mask positions, enter your text notes and click Save. Now we know how to set privacy masking in recorded footage.